This is a beautiful 1956 VW Camper, blue and white. Gorgeous paint job, and we see there are a couple surfboards on top. Very handy. Beautiful chrome. The vehicle looks like it just came off the assembly line. Really, very nice. Jalousie type windows provide ventilation with a modicum of protection from rain. Very utilitarian dashboard, but really beautiful in its simplicity. Nice upholstery. And now we take a look at the engine compartment as we round the corner here, and you'll see it's really spotless. Until meticulous care has been taken of it, various things painted. And typical of these campers, lots of stickers on the windows, let you know where they've been. And here we have a look inside. Table. I'm sure that converts to a bed. Accommodates a few people. And have a refrigerator there, a little ice chest, I think. Got a Coca-Cola bottle opener. Just a very nice van. Very nice.